Use a high-quality polymer-modified thinset mixed to the correct consistency for porcelain or ceramic tile to ensure long-lasting adhesion. Select a thinset specifically formulated for porcelain or ceramic applications and for floor use. Measure water carefully using the manufacturer recommended ratio and always pour the powder into the bucket first, then add water gradually to control consistency. Mix with a slow-speed drill and a paddle mixing blade until you achieve a smooth, lump-free paste that has the texture of creamy peanut butter so it will bed and hold tiles without sagging. Let the mix slake for the time the manufacturer specifies, usually about 10 to 15 minutes, then remix briefly to regain workability before use. Maintain a working pot life by only mixing what you can use in about 30 minutes in typical job site conditions, and keep the surface temperature and ambient humidity in mind because heat and wind will shorten open time. Use clean water and a clean bucket for each batch, and frequently clean the mixing blade to avoid introducing hardened chunks that can weaken the bond. Common mistakes include mixing too wet, which reduces bond strength and increases shrinkage. Fix this by aiming for the peanut butter consistency and following the powder to water ratio precisely. Another issue is under mixing or leaving lumps, which leads to weak spots under tile. Prevent that by using a drill and paddle and mixing until fully smooth, then slaking and remixing. A third concern is inhaling dust when handling powdered thinset and silica containing materials. Wear a proper respirator rated for silica particulate and add water slowly to minimize airborne dust while mixing. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for kitchen tile floor installations and provides resources on proper thinset selection and mixing techniques so we can make informed hiring decisions. We also give contractors a place to find work and to participate in our community discussion forums where we exchange tips, troubleshoot problems, and share job site best practices.